Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm here with the newest addition to my fleet, the B36. This is the ready to run version. It's got some really cool scale features I'll show you. We've got opening doors, opening hood there, where the battery's kept. On the side you've got a side door that opens. You've also got the rear doors that open. It's got a 180 motor, fully proportional electronics. It's got metal differential gears, it's got plastic drive shafts, plastic axle housings. The older B36s did come with plastic gears in the differentials. The only way you can be sure to get one with the metal gears as standard is to buy one from the WPL official store, so I'll put a link down below for that. And also I'd advise on these 6-wheel drives to get a upgraded centre axle, because these ones do suffer quite a lot from torque twist when you go over some difficult obstacles, which can snap various bits. So I'll put a link for that below as well. So I'm just going to try it out in the garden today. I hope you enjoy it, and give me a like and subscribe. So here's just an example of the torque twist that I was saying about in the introduction. You can see the wheels twist up like that. mentioned, it can snap the drive shaft and the diff pinions, so upgraded centre axle is definitely the first upgrade on the list for this one.